Friends, welcome to Research Needs. In this video, we will demonstrate the proper technique for rat dissections, including positioning, organ identification, removal, and preservation for histopathology. All procedure must be follow institutional ethical guidelines and safety standards. Before start the dissection, the animals humanly euthanized using high dose of thiopental sodium 150 mg per kg. Ensure complete loss of reflex and confirmations of death before proceeding. This step is essential to ensure ethical handling and prevent any suffering. Place the rat in supine position on its back on the dissection box. Using dissection pins, carefully secure all four limbs. Stretch each leg outwards gently and pin it through the paws to stabilize the body. This ensures clear visibility, proper control during the section. Using scissors or scalpel, make a middle incision from the lower abdomen up to the chest. Carefully cut through the skin only. Reflect the skin on both sides to expose the abdomen muscles. Now gently cut through the muscles layer to open the abdominal cavity. Open the thoracic cavity to assess the lungs and heart. Extend the incision upwards. Carefully cut along the both sides of the rib cage. Gently break lift the ribs to expose the thoracic cavity. Take care not to damage underlying organs. We will now remove the organs by one systematically. Adrenal gland. First locates adrenal glands on both sides, and they are small structures situated above the kidney. It is difficult to find them later. So first we have to find adrenal glands and remove it. Both sides you have to find. It is very necessary to remove it first, otherwise you will not able to find it later. Second, identify the spleen. Here you can see this is the spleen. You have to remove the fatty materials around it and carefully. Next, remove the kidney. It is same place where the adrenal gland was available. So both plate you have to remove the left and right both kidney. Next to this, we will remove the liver gently. Wipe any releasing blood properly using gauze to maintain clarity. Otherwise, you can see here in this video already it has the blood is already spread around the dissection body. So now in this condition it is very difficult to remove other organs from the dissection body of the rat. So now here you can see the blood is spread already and other organs are not able to visible properly to remove it. So while you are removing liver, you have to focus to wipe the blood properly, otherwise you have to face such situation. Finally, you can see here we have removed the liver. Continue removing organs one by one: stomach, intestine, pancreas, lungs and hearts. Ensure each organ is handled gently to avoid damage. Immediately place remove organs into label histopathological tube containing this. Preserve the tissue from the for further analysis. At last, it is the final procedure to removing the brain. This is the most delicate step. First, carefully remove the eyes, remove the skin covering the head region. Using scissors or bone cutter, slowly break the skull from the both sides. Gradually lift the skull cap. Carefully separate and remove the brain. Ensure the brain remains intact without any damage. These steps require precision and skill. And finally, again, remind you, immediately place the each removed organ into the labeled histopathological tube containing 10% neutral buffered formalin solution, and this will preserve the tissues for further analysis. To find list of organs that are generally removed from the rat body during dissection, you can refer to researchsop.com, which can useful for your future reference. Thank you for watching Research Needs. Thank you very much.